How to log in into Brandly app. How to log in into Brandly app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how you can log in into the Brandly app. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to log in into the Brandly app, first of all you need to have the Brandly app onto your device. For that, you may just head over to the Google Store and simply download the Brandly application into your device if you are on an Android device. So head over and install it. After the installation is completed, just open the application on your device. So it may take a minute or a while for the app to be loaded completely after you have downloaded it. So you're going to select your country from where you are from. For example, this one right here. So for example, I'm selecting this country and tap on sure. After that, you'll be taken to the Brandly app, and here you will be able to find the dashboard of the Brandly app. So you're going to find the login option very easily when you are new to the app. You're going to click on this login option. After that, in order to log in, you may just enter a username or email and a password, or you may use Google or Facebook if you have used Google or Facebook in order to create your account before. So if you already have an email, just enter your email here, email address there. After that, type your password here and you'll be logged in, and then you'll be logged into your application very easily. So follow the steps in order to log in into your Brandly application, just like as I said. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.